Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that moving assets between exchanges like Kraken and KuCoin is a common task. Today, we're focusing on how to withdraw Solana from Kraken and transfer it to KuCoin. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kraken and KuCoin and that your Solana is available in your Kraken wallet. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Funding section. Look for the Withdrawal option. It's usually under a tab like Withdraw or Transfer Out. Next, select Solana from the list of available assets. Kraken might ask you to verify your identity or enable two-factor authentication for security, so have that ready. Now, you'll need your KuCoin Solana wallet address. Hop over to KuCoin, log in, go to your wallet, and find the deposit option for Solana. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it because one wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Kraken, paste the KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Solana you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees. Solana transactions are fast and cheap, but fees can vary, so check the estimated cost. Review all the details one more time, then hit confirm. You'll likely get a confirmation email or notification. After initiating the withdrawal, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to appear on KuCoin, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into KuCoin and check your Solana balance to ensure everything transferred correctly. A quick tip: always use the Solana network for this transfer to keep things efficient. And remember, crypto is volatile, so only move what you're comfortable with. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have support teams to help. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tutorials. See you next time.